Bailey. I'm gonna be trying to sing Payphone by Maroon 5. I know the song is a bit old, but who cares? Here we go. Payphone, trying to call home. All my change got spent on you. The time's gone, maybe it's over. The tears we made for two. But it's hard to remember people we used to be. It's hard to remember just here next to me. I know it's too late to make it. I know it's too late to try. This is when you wasted all of my bridges burned down. I wasted my lights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed. In my head, oh, you call it love, but deep in the sunset in paradise. My Payphone trying to call home. All of my change got spent on you. Yeah, the time's gone, baby, it's over. All the tears we made for two. Happy ever after did exist. I still could be holding you like this. All the fairy tales are full of shit. Somehow we say, oh, turn your back on tomorrow. You get this today. I give you your love to borrow. And you just gave it away. You expect you to make time. You expect you to care. I'm staying for all my bridges put down. I must say my night. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed. It's in my love, and you call it love, but even the sunset in paradise. My payphone tried to call home. All of my change got spent on you. And the time's gone, baby, it's over. The tears we made for two. If we ever after did exist, I will still be holding you like this. These fairy tales are full of shit. One of the will somehow be said. On my Payphone. Okay guys, I'm not going to sing the rest of the other single because I'm not really good at rapping, but I can rap. It's not that good. So thank you for watching so much. Hope you give it a big thumbs up. I'm not expecting you to subscribe because of like all those YouTube things. Subscribe to me and have a happy day. No, I'm just saying, can you please like the video? My goal is to get about like 10 thumbs up just for a couple of weeks because this is like my second video. On my first video, it only got like 2 thumbs up and like 2 thumbs down. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.